Hello, this is BG. Kumusta? Kumusta mga fans ko? Kumusta sa lahat ng kapatiran sa BUMC? So, kumusta kay Pastor Ralph at Digoles, Abigail? Kumusta sa lahat ng mga kababaihan, kalalakihan, kabataang may sapat na gulang, kabataang walang sapat na gulang, sa mga bata? Hello mga fans! Ano, Saida? Video to? Para kay mama? Sorry! Okay, I wanna say happy birthday sa pinakamagandang babae sa buong mundo. Nanay ko yan. Nasabi ko na siya ang pinakamagandang babae sa buong mundo kasi magkamukha kami. Ngayon nga lang may lamang siya ng konti kasi may tagyawat ako dito. Pero may nilalagay na ako sa mukha ko kaya pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, flawless na ako. Seriously, I just wanna say happy birthday, Mama. I'm sad that I can't be with you today. Actually, I thought that this year I would be able to spend your birthday with you. But sadly, that is not the case. But I know it won't be too long before the three of us would be together again. I would like to thank you for loving Saida and I unconditionally, and for being so unselfish and for always making us your top priority. I know that it must have hurt you really bad because you're gonna miss me so much when I decided to leave for Canada. But you supported my decision because you love me. I've said this before and I will say this again. If there is only one thing that I could thank God for the rest of my life, is that I have you as my mom. So, happy birthday, okay? May regalo kami ni Chabilita sa'yo kasi favorite mo daw si Willie. Chabilita, yung epektos, nalabas mo na ba? So, happy birthday, Mama, and I'll see you next year. Bye! Hi to everyone! Miss ko na kayo.